Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet and take the dryer apart. Use a small screwdriver to remove the E-clip like this. Remove the bad roller and the washers. Usually you don't remove these pieces. You just replace the rollers. But let me show you how to remove it in case you want to do it, because it comes with a kit. To remove it, all you have to do is remove these two screws and take it right out. Set the new one in place and screw in the two holding screws. Install the Teflon washer first. Use lithium grease to lubricate the post. You could buy the grease at the auto parts store. Set the new roller in place. Make sure that you could see the word front on the front of the roller. Install the metal washer. And install the E-clip using a pair of pliers like this. Use the same procedure to replace the other roller on the right hand side. Now all you have to do is put the dryer back together. That was the way to replace bad drum rollers. For the best place to buy replacement parts online, visit Repair Clinic. When you buy parts from Repair Clinic, you have 365 days from the day of purchase to return the part for a refund or for a replacement. You can find links to Repair Clinic in my website.